Rattie and Cattie. Rattie and Cattie are doing hat shows. Nee 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 da 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 da. Peekaboo. Boo. Boo. And jump. Rattie and Cattie are at the train shop and they're buying tickets to go. They're buying tickets to go to London tomorrow. So follow me around. Follow me around. Follow me. We're going to London tomorrow. So here, hurry up. Here we are. Where are we? Brighton. They've taken the ton off. So that's where we are here. And then tomorrow we're going to London. Yay! We're going to London tomorrow. Okay. And then
Let's show them where we used to live.
this is where we used to live. Doggy. Doggy.
So there's Brighton.
There's Brighton.
We both used to live in London.
We both used to live in London. Cat.
Derby.
No, me first. Cat was brought up in Cambridge. And Doggy is from up north. Dirty north. Dirty north. Stop it.
So I lived there most of my life.
He lived there.
In the middle.
He lived in Derby.
And then
He lived in Derby. He was born in Edinburgh.
sort of between class.
He's a wee Bonnie Scots. He's a wee
So
bell.
I basically went there down
To
there,
there.
then down to there, then down to there, then down to there, then to there,
He had a job there. He was
then
this.
to there, and then to there. So I went all the way down.
And now my turn because I'm better than him. I went from Chile to there, and then I went to London to study, and then I got a job in Oxford, and then I went back to Chile, and then I came back to Brighton.
To Brighton.
And now where to go? Nowhere to go. And now we're here. Yay.
But then you can tell the story because that's Doggy and Cat. So you started off in Chile and I started off there.
Yes. That's Doggy, but it's a rat. Where's Cat? Cat's in Chile. And then they went.
And then at the same time, I went to there and you went to there.
I was waiting for you there.
Then I went to there and you were still there.
And now we're here.
And then we both went to there.
And now we're both here.
Yeah. And now we're off there, I went to go there. Oh, look at the map anyway.
Stop.